Hello, my name is Favor. If you are new here, you are watching the Favor Effect. Today, I want us to talk about breaking bad habits. You know, the bad habits of nail biting, shopping too much, spending a lot of time on social media, procrastination, those little bad habits. Yes. So, I want you to join me in a 7-day challenge to break this bad habit. Okay, so day one, we are going to identify what habits we want to break. Day two, we are going to write down these bad habits. Okay, day three, we are going to start very small. Start working on breaking this bad habit. How do you plan to break it all off? Okay, so we have to break up this bad habit. Take a bold step. It is not about being a perfectionist, but it is about how do you start. Okay, and then day four, we are going to use time management tricks. The one that I really enjoy to use is called the Pomodoro technique. For example, if a task requires 25 minutes, you take a 5-minute break interval in between and then you continue to get it done. Another one you can use is called a 2-minute rule. This is where if a task requires 2 minutes to complete, you go ahead and do it right away. Simple, ABC. Okay, remember, baby steps goes a long way. So start small and work your way big. And then on day 5, we are going to set up reminders. Okay, we are going to use some affirmation to be able to stay on track. Every day you speak to yourself, day by day, every hour, every minute, you speak something affirmed. Affirmation brings out positive outlook. And on day 6, we are going to celebrate our wins. We've worked so hard, it might not even be something hard, but the fact that you were able to accomplish this small goal, it's something to be, to rejoice about. So go ahead and celebrate your small win, okay? Because you deserve it. You've worked hard for it. I don't care how big or small, you did a really good job. Okay, like I said, breaking a small habit goes a long way. And then on day 7, we are going to sit back and reflect. How did you overcome this small habit? Was it something really hard? You thought you couldn't do it? Was it really challenging? What emotions was going through you when you were breaking the small habit? Okay? So, start small and work your way up. And then let me know in the comment below what was the bad habit you were able to get rid of. How did you overcome it? What emotions, what thoughts was going through all over you? So let me know in the comment below. Okay, I would love to hear back from you guys because it also helped me to better myself as well. So let me know what that bad habit is and let me know how you were able to overcome it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.